those who are weak are cruel, for gentleness can only be expected from the strong. Ang sinasabi doon is that kung ikaw ay malupit dahil kulang ka, kulang sa pang-unawa, kulang sa kaalaman, kulang sa diksi, kulang sa interest, kulang sa pag-ibig, kulang sa concern, kulang sa pagpapakumbaba. No? So, what you resorted then, pag dumating yung mga pagsubok ay dinadaan na lang sa init ng ulo. Be a good example, be a good mentor, and be a good member of the Bureau of Fire Protection. To our OPR, Superintendent Toledo, to your resource person for today's activity, Chief Inspector, Attorney Roel Mariedo, to the IFSED family, participants, and to our PIS from all over the region. Participants, good afternoon. Today, you engage in a one-day, very fruitful activity, which is our Arson Law and Criminal Procedure Seminar. Be aware, gentlemen, parang walang lady. Wala, no? Kahapon marami. Be aware that not all region have this kind of activity, because there is just a kumbaga kulang ng drive, no, sa ibang region. And we know for a fact that this interest, no, this field is very badly needed in the whole organization nationwide. It is only here in Cagayan de Oro City, Region 10, where we try our best to cope up with what is best for Region 10, and in so doing what is best for the whole country. Yes. I thank that to the facilitator, especially also to the resource person, because without them, our problem will be getting far and even worse. It will reflect the entire performance of the Bureau of Fire Protection. I will say it, gentlemen, that knowledge is power. You know, when you have this power in your heart, there is nothing to fear of. At least, no? Your fears, your doubts, and your uncertainties will be reduced to minimal. You will now enjoy your service if you have that in your heart. If you're expert in your field, kung ano yung nasa sa inyo, you can only share what you have. So I say that knowledge is power. Yun. Sinabi ko din na those who are weak are cruel, for gentleness can only be expected from the strong. Ang sinasabi doon is that kung ikaw ay malupit dahil kulang ka, kulang sa pang-unawa, kulang sa kaalaman, kulang sa diksi, kulang sa interest, kulang sa pag-ibig, kulang sa concern, kulang sa pagpapakumbaba. No? So, what you resorted then, pag dumating yung mga pagsubok ay dinadaan na lang sa init ng ulo. So, that value, ladies, gentlemen, is what I would like to inculcate in your mind. We will not be here forever. But remember, sa sinasabi ko, knowledge is power. I experienced that in my long years in service, being a fire and arson investigator. During my stay there in Manila as investigator, no, sa Interagency Anti-Arson Task Force, then sa Quezon City Fire District, where I became the Chief Investigation Division, I've learned a lot na pag ikaw ay ready sa iyong trabaho, you have the say, you have the personality, and you have really the capability to deliver efficiently and effectively your performance. Hindi lahat ay may alam sa ating expertise. Even lawyers, even judges. Pag yun ay hindi sila masyadong interested sa inyong pinagagawa, at hindi nyo rin alam masyado ang inyong gagawin, magiging hopeless ang lahat, magiging useless. Ilang araw mong inaabangan yung ating arson suspect, ilang araw mong tinarbaho yung ilang oras mo, no? Sa tataranta, may kasama pang tarantayan, yung mag-prepare ka ng filing of the case within 12 hours or 36 hours. Within 36 hours, i-prepare mo, pagkatapos doon, i-forwarder lang pala yung papel. Kasi hindi sila naniniwala sa ginawa mo. Now, in your case, you should have that skills to convince even yung ating mga fiscal. Kasi ginawa ko yan sa Manila. You have to convince the fiscal para lang ma-commit yung ating mga arsonist na ating nahuli. At siyempre, yung ating arson na case ay ma-record talaga as indicated na arson siya. Of course, that is your accomplishment. Kasi sometimes pagod sila, hindi na nila yan, pag nakita nila mahina ang dating ng investigador, wala. Yung 36 hours yung pinaghirapan, itatapon lang, ifa-further, at walang nangyari. And then, the problem will continue. Pag marunong kayo, madali na sa inyo. And sinabi ko rin kahapon, believe me, even you are assigned in suppression, you're assigned in excess, iba ang satisfaction ng investigator. If you can close a fire incident, if you can close a case on your own, talaga, sa inyong pagpaningkamot, this is a different accomplishment. No? Kasi madali lang yung firefighting, madali lang yan. FSS, madali lang din. Pag alam lang natin kung anong nature ng business, alam na natin anong i-require. Isang tingin pa lang sa building, alam na natin eh. We are expert on that. But for investigation, you really have to study. Study the case, study the circumstance, study the people para lang ma-achieve natin. And believe me, gentlemen, sasabihin ko sa inyo, truly there is power in investigation. Because you can direct the conduct of the investigation. If you think that that is arson and you can prove that, then that is arson. Even the court cannot question that. Basta kompleto lang yung inyong justification. If you will say that that is accidental, then that is the accidental. Walang makabalidate niyan except kapwa nyo rin investigator. But napakahirap na balikan ang kaso. Wala na yung parse, di ba? After the investigator will investigate the case, wala na. Spoiled na yung parse by the first investigator. So, para the second investigator to challenge the finding of the first investigator, wala na yung credibility ng fire scene. So, sino ngayon ang papakinggan? Dahil kulang-kulang na yung mga ng challenger, doon pa rin talaga babalik yan sa first investigator. Nandoon talaga sa mga kamay nyo. No? Imagine, gawin mong accidental yung isang arson. But you can. If you can prove that. Kasi lahat naman tayo, wala tayo dun sa fire scene. We will be dealing more on scientific investigation, the evidence, the witnesses, the documentary presentation, all of this. Pero it does not guarantee us the truth. Kaya, with your knowledge and with your ethical background, your package as a whole is very important in order to trace out the problem, to solve a case. So, I tell you, I challenge you, yung satisfaction being a fire and arson investigator, ibang satisfaction makukuha mo when you are assigned in FSS or operation or any other assignment in the PNP. There is really that drive in every investigator sa puso niya na this is my job. I love this job. So, I am very proud and happy that you answered the call of joining the seminar, even konti lang yung panahon. Pero this is a manifestation that you are really dedicated to the service. Hindi lahat ay nag-volunteer or even those na pinilit na pumunta ay maghanap pa talaga ng reason na hindi makapunta. But you answered the challenge. So I congratulate you all for this very challenging and very inspiring feat again. You know, this opportunity to learn, to improve your knowledge, your skills. I hope you will take good care of it. Kasi you are the next generation to take care and bring the name of the Bureau of Fire Protection in Region 10. No, as on my part, I will be retiring soon. So I hope I fulfilled my duty and obligation in Region 10. There are people who maybe I did not please everyone. But as much as I can consider, I fulfilled my obligation in the region as well as what is required to me by the national headquarters. So even at this point in time, I can say that I have a very colorful stay here in Region 10. No, so you have to continue that. Walang maliliit na designation, gentlemen, no, in the organization. Lahat kayo ay public servant. You will be bringing change to people, to your family. So walang maliit na obligation, even yung crew, even yung taga-receive ka lang ng communication dyan, walang maliit na obligation when it comes to public service. So, my prayer then is you will continue the fight, no, until you retire. You will live up to the expectation of the public. Kahit hindi tayo napupuri, kahit maraming kalaban, kahit tayo ay idinidiin, sisiraan pa minsan, but in your heart of hearts, you know that you are a vulnerable person. Ginagawa niyo ang lahat makatulong, tumulong, hindi lang sa sarili, kundi sa community kung saan kayo nabilog, and the organization, ang ating organization, the Bureau of Fire Protection. No, isang araw lilipad tayo, lalaki yung ating hanay with the coming realization of the full implementation of modernization. Isang araw maraming maglalaway sa atin. Now, we will not come there kung wala kayo. So, in every epoch of time, no? In every stages, iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang participants ang nandoon. Maybe my time is done in the Bureau of Fire Protection, but yours is still underway, nasa kalagitnaan. So you continue the race, you continue the fight. Be a good example, be a good mentor, and be a good member of the Bureau of Fire Protection. Thank you, and wish you all the blessings that God may bestow upon us. Good afternoon.